Bonjour classe. Happy Monday. Joyeuse lundi. I am making a video to show you guys the new Fine Arts Pandemic Choice Board and to explain to you how grades are going to go for a while, about 4 weeks in this French class. Okay, so I think you're going to like it. And I think you're going to find it a little bit easier than what we've been doing before. And I hope that this video helps you understand stuff. But if not, you can always attend our second block class. It's going to be on Mondays and Wednesdays from 12:15 to 1:15, and I will be posting links to our live video classes, and you can come and join me and ask as many questions as you need and get some extra credit for showing up. So that's kind of a good thing. So once a week, you guys are going to do an activity from our Fine Arts Pandemic Choice Board. This is for all Spanish and French classes. And this is going to run us for 4 assignments, 4 activities, or 4 weeks. There are 9 different things you can choose from to turn in. And the general directions are on slide 2, which I'm showing you here. Again, this whole PowerPoint presentation will be posted on Google Classroom, so you'll have access to this choice board whenever you want. You can review it as many times as you want, and you will be reviewing it often. So basically, the general directions are you're going to choose one activity from these slides and complete it by the end of the week on Friday, and upload your presentations to the assignment or the correct assignment labeled. They're going to be labeled like this. Choice board activity 1 will be Friday, April 10th, and that's probably the first one you'll see. And then the next week I'll post this assignment, choice board assignment 2. I'll give you another copy of the choice board so you can look at it of this presentation, and you'll just upload your links there. Okay, whatever your assignment is. Okay, so here are some of the choice boards, and I'm not going to go through all of these because you can look at them yourself at your leisure as they're posted. They're going to be posted right here along with this video. But some of them are, make a Venn diagram, conduct an interview, do a little research project about what life is like in a foreign country under quarantine, map it out. We're going to make some memes, some funny memes. I'd like for you to put something French in yours. Ooh, that'd be nice. Make a timeline with important dates from a different country. Here's a picture of a country in quarantine, and you're going to talk about it. Here's a musical thing that you can do if you like music, a comic strip if you like that, and those are the assignments that you can choose from. Okay, they're not designed to be super hard, so I hope that you like those assignments, and I hope you were able to choose one each week to complete for your assignment. So that's one assignment that's going in the gradebook every single week. Okay, there's going to be a total of 3 assignments in the gradebook each. 4 assignments in the gradebook each week. Okay, so the second one is going to be an activator question. And you'll have an activator question on Monday and Wednesday, the day we have classes. And they will combined be worth 10 points. And they're just going to be little tiny questions to answer. It's going to be like a posting on your board on Google Classrooms. It'll be super easy. And if you respond, you're going to get full credit. So that's going to be number 2 is going to be your activator question. Then number 3, the 3rd grade that's going to go in, I'm going to show it to you right now. It's going to be every single day you're going to post a reflection on what you're doing for your choice board activity. So you're just going to put your first name, your last name, your foreign language teacher, what day of the week you filled out the form. Again, you'll fill it out every single day, once every day. Don't try to do them all in one day because I'll see that and that won't count. You have to do one every day. You're going to talk about what activity you've chosen to do. You see they're all listed here. And you're going to pick which one you're working on this week. And then you're going to talk about the directions and how you understand directions. And then you're going to talk about your progress here. You can see, again, you can start out by saying, I still haven't decided what to do. It might take you several days to decide what to do. That's okay. You don't have to work on it every single day. Don't feel like you do. It might just take you one day to do it. And then you're going to talk about your effort and completing the assignment. How interesting did you find your task every single day? How did you do? And then questions and concerns. So that is going to be your reflection piece, and you're going to turn that in every single day. So it's going to be worth about 2 points a day, because that at the end of the week is going to be your third 10-point assignment. So we have the choice board activity itself, which is going to be a weekly assignment. You have your activator questions. There'll be 2 a week, and that will count for another assignment. And then you're going to have your reflection form right here that's on the screen, and that will be your third assignment for the week. So what's your fourth assignment? Duolingo, guys. I love it. I love it. So I wanted to go ahead and show you, since I have my screen here and I'm recording a video, I want to show you what I want you to be doing for Duolingo. So if you look at your Duolingo stories here, again, when you open Duolingo, you're going to see the Learn tab open. This is where you have all your stuff that you're working on. Okay, we're working now in the Stories tab. Okay, which on my screen is at the top of the screen because it's a computer. But if you have your phone, it's going to be on the bottom of the screen. So you're going to click on your Stories tab. And at this point, you're supposed to have 3 stories done. Well, in retrospect, I should have asked you to do 5 because I really want you to finish set 1 for next week. And as you can see here, once they're in gold, that means you actually completed them. And what I want you to do is I want you to take a screenshot of all 10 stories for this next week, due on the 10th of April. What I want you guys to do is all 10 assignments, all 10 stories need to be done by the 10th of April. And you're going to do something that I want you to do here just to prove that you're doing them and not somebody else, and you're not just sharing screenshots, because I know that happens. You're actually going to stick a Post-it note that has your name and the date on the Post-it note that you completed your 10 assignments. And you're going to stick it on your screen. You can't see me stick it on my screen because if I do, it won't show up. But what you'll do is you'll just take your little Post-it note here with your name and the date, and you will hold it up to your screen, and you will give me some sort of a picture that you did these assignments. Okay, and I know it's hard. You're like, Carlton, I can't hold it up to my phone screen and take a screenshot because the Post-it note won't show up. Well, you're going to have to maybe use somebody else's phone in your family to take a picture of your telephone screen. Hold up your telephone screen. I wish I had my phone right here, but I don't. You're just going to hold up your telephone screen. You're going to hold it up next to your Post-it note and have somebody else in your family who has a phone take a picture, maybe with your face. And take a picture, and that will prove to me that you did your assignment. If you don't do that, if you just give me a screenshot, this first time it was fine. Okay, we are still learning. But if you don't do it the correct way for next time, I'm going to send it right back to you and say, hey, you're going to have to submit that again. Okay, so I will post an assignment that says Duolingo 10 stories done, the entire set 1. If you can see my screen here, it's called set 1. The entire set 1 needs to be done by the 10th. Okay, and then after that, I'm only going to do 5 a week. Okay, so we'll just do 5 a week after that, but we just need to have set 1. We need to be all in the same place. So I know a lot of you guys have already finished the first 10. So just make sure you have set 1 done by the 10th. Okay, so that's it for the assignments. So there's 4 assignments. You have your activator questions, 2 a week. You have your choice board activity, 1 a week. You have your little Google form daily reflections, which will be 1 a day. And that'll be a 10-point assignment. and then you have your Duolingo scores, okay? So I hope that this makes it consistent for you guys, that you know what to expect. I hope it makes it so that you can figure out these assignments and start getting into a rhythm of, okay, this is how I do this is how I do that, this is how long it takes me. And then it makes the class a lot easier from now on. Those are my hopes. Again, check in with me on Mondays and Wednesdays from 12:15 to 1:15 for extra credit. As well, I will post those links on Google Classroom as the time approaches. At around 12 o'clock, I'll post those links. And you can come and join me and ask any questions you need to. Have a great week. I hope you guys are being safe. I hope you're practicing social distancing. I hope you're healthy. And bonne chance. Okay? Bye. Where do I turn this off?